Okay, that's the end of this section. Before I go to the next section, I will first push the code to the GitHub. Okay, so I stop this and I'll see its status. Okay, so we have modified these files. Okay, there are many files, I think. Okay, so we have modified many files. Okay, anyways, I'll just say git add -a, git commit -m, and we'll say import data task, salary, and email configs. Okay, so everything is added. Just say git push origin main. All right, so things are working. All right, in the git status, everything is clean. Okay, so that's about importing the data and configuring salary. Now, in the next section, we will take care of exporting the data. Okay, so once the data is exported, we will send the exported file via email. Okay, from the email, the user can download that exported data. Okay, and that will be a little bit more interesting, because in this import data task, we just sent one single line message to the user saying your data has been imported successfully. But in case of export data, we will be sending the exported file through email. Okay, so that the user can download that exported file from the email. Okay, so we'll see all of that in the next section.